Hello everyone, in this video we are going to do a very simple math problem and you're going to be surprised that many of you are actually going to get this wrong. So I don't need you to use your calculator, so here is the problem. 3 divided by 3 times 3 divided by 3. So as you can see, no powers, only division, multiplication, no parentheses right here, and this is really great. So what is the answer? Of course most of you out there are like, yes, I can handle this is basic, I can handle this problem, this is basic division, basic multiplication, and in the end basic division. I learned this stuff in the 3rd grade, so that's great. So go ahead and put your answer into a comment section. So A, B, C, it will be really interesting to check our answer in the end of the video, okay? So go ahead and put your answer down in the comment section. And I'm going to show you the correct answer here in just 1 minute. So let's try to solve it. So what is the first way to solve it? So a lot of students solve it like that. We have like 3, I just read this problem right here, so 3 divided by 3 times 3 divided by 3, yeah? So we have this expression the same, yeah? A lot of students solve it like that. Okay, they say, okay, 3 divided by 3, they start with this left-hand side, we have 3 divided by 3 equal to 1, and then 3 divided by 3 in the end, they say, okay, the same 1. So 1 times 1, because we still have 1 in the middle, so multiplying, we will have 1 times 1 equal to 1. And they say, okay, option A is correct. So right now I don't want to tell you that 1 is correct or not correct, I don't know about it, but let's solve it correctly with the order, with correct order of operation, because obviously whatever order you select is going to create a different answer, right? So we need to understand what is the correct order to do this problem. Yep, and for this question I have this PEMDAS order, the main popular order in the world. All internet libraries, scientific calculator, graphing calculator works according to PEMDAS order, yeah? And let's solve it according to PEMDAS order. First one, we have parentheses. So the first step is parentheses. If you're talking about order of operation from the top to the bottom, first one is parentheses. So let's scan about parentheses. Are there any parentheses right here? So no, I don't see any of those. So I just read this problem, 3 divided by 3 times 3 divided by 3. So we don't have parentheses. Next, we have exponent, yeah? So in PEMDAS we have exponents. So are there any exponents, squares, cubes right here? No, I don't see any of those. So we just skip this part. The next step, a lot of students do this common mistake because they say, okay, the next step is multiplication, but then you need to multiply this in the middle. So it gives us not a correct answer, because the correct approach to this problem, to this order, is group, yeah? So we need to work as a group. Multiplication and division is one group right here. So we need to scan. Are there any division multiplication sign right here? Yes, I see a division, multiplication, and division sign. So this is our case. But how can we find a correct order right here? So one really interesting moment, because we need to scan what is the first sign from left to right. From left to right, the first sign is this division, yeah? So if we're talking about a correct order, from left to right is this division. So we need to start from this division. 3 divided by 3 equal to 1, yeah, and we still have this expression 1 times 3 divided by 3, yeah? So the same expression, but here we had like 3 signs, and right here we have 2 signs. Doesn't matter, okay? So right now the same expression as right here, but 2 signs doesn't matter. What is the first sign from left to right? The first sign is multiplication. So 1 times 3 equal to 3, and we still have this division, 3 divided by 3 equal to 1. So as you can see, our 1 is the same as right here, but right here we don't apply like different order of operation. We like this divide, right here multiply. So how we want, we do this problem. But right here, this is a correct solution to this problem according to PEMDAS. But it happened that the same answer, because right here we have like 1, and right here we have 1, which is good. But if we're talking about solution, this solution is a correct solution to this problem. But moreover, if you put parentheses right here, it will be correct answer, because 1 will be correct when you put parentheses, because the first step is parentheses right here. So we need to start with this parentheses right here, divide, right here, divide. So as you can see, without parentheses, 1 is absolutely incorrect answer, yeah? If you're talking about this case, yeah, you cannot like divide this one and this one, but generally 1 is a correct answer if you're talking about a solution according to PEMDAS order, yeah? So very tricky question, a lot of countries, a lot of discussion about this order of operations. So write your suggestion in comment, how do you solve it in your country? It will be really interesting to read about it. So answer is option A. This is 1. This is my explanation to this problem. Of course, thank you for your time. Definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. Now if you need to learn basic math, interesting brain test, IQ question, if you're struggling with pre-algebra concept, you can easily subscribe to my channel. I try to help everyone. I definitely wish you all the best in your mathematical adventure. Thank you for your time and have a great day. See you in the next videos.